In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate your first image in OpenArt. Start on the OpenArt homepage and move your mouse over the image section to reveal the creative tools you'll need. When you see the option, click Create Image to open the image generation workspace. Here, you can choose the model or character that will power your image. Different models have different strengths, styles, and capabilities, so pick the one that matches your goal. For example, if you see a model like Kling and it suits your look, select it. You can switch models later if you want a different style or output. Next, add image references. Click the reference box to start, then click Upload. You can upload multiple images, up to 10, to guide the result. References are great for identity, clothing, pose, or general style. Use clear, well-lit images and make sure you have the rights to use them. Now describe what you want in the prompt text box. As you type, you can directly reference your uploaded images using the @ symbol. For example, type something like, "The man in @image 1, and when a suggestion pops up, select the matching image so the system links to it. Continue the idea with, "Where's the jacket in @image 2, again selecting the second image from the prompt suggestion. This tells the model exactly which person and which clothing to combine. Then add a few finishing details, such as with a serious face to set expression or mood. You can also include lighting, background, or scene descriptors to make the result more specific and consistent. Before generating, choose the aspect ratio. If you're creating a portrait, square or vertical ratios are often best because they frame a single subject well and work nicely for social posts. Next, adjust the resolution. Higher resolutions produce sharper images but can take a bit longer and may use more credits, while lower resolutions are faster for quick drafts. Set the number of images you want to generate in one go. Producing a small batch helps you compare variations without manually rerunning the prompt. When everything looks good, click Create. Give it a moment to process, and your results will appear. Review the images, zoom in to check details, and note what worked well. If you want a different look, tweak the model, refine your prompt, adjust references, or change the aspect ratio and resolution, then generate again. With a few iterations, you'll quickly land on a result you love.